So a little bit of an update. As you can see, I got the Jackshaft completed. I built the Jackshaft kind of out of, well, let me start over on that one. I didn't build it out of materials I had on hand. I built it out of one piece of material I had on hand, which was this 1 1/8" DUM tubing. Left over from doing a couple of roll cages. I figured what better thing to use than roll cage tubing to make a Jackshaft, because that would be absolutely overkill. So had to get some 1 1/2" bearings and 1 1/2" hubs and sprockets, but in the end it came together. I used some 1/8" thick plate that I use for the base of roll cages to make a mount for this Jackshaft. So far it's coming together pretty well. As you can see from the business end, I've got to get the chain set up and cut to length. The plate itself, I tried to bend it to a 90°, and that 1/8" plate kind of exceeds the limits of the bender I have. Big bender, but it's only made for bending gauge thick sheet metal. So we'll heat it up with a torch, bend it a little bit further, and see if we can get it to bolt down. The motor has actually bolts on 2 sides. We've got 2 mount points up here and then 2 more down here. But with this gap, it need to get the metal a little bit closer for it to bolt to the motor. That'll be probably later on today. Break out the torch, heat it up, pound it down, and get the last 2 bolts in.